So we now have a working fetch, but I want to refactor my code a little bit, and you should refactor things to improve your code, so easy to maintain, easy to read, and so on and so on. So what I'm going to do in my code is I'm going to take out the interface here and put it in its own little system, so I can reuse this later, and I will reuse it later for creating and updating products. So I'm going to go to the, make sure you click the source folder. I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm going to call this interfaces. You can call whatever you want. And in this folder, a new file, interface s with an sts. So we're going to move the interface from this one over to interfaces ts instead. So go in here, we'll just copy it first and then delete it after, and then go back to your interface.ts file and just two enters for me at least. No, it doesn't matter. I'm just going to paste it immediately in actually. So here, but we're not done with it. So you can see there's some issue. It doesn't really know how to do with them and so on. So right now their scope is locally only inside this file. So nobody else has access to this. So we need to tell Vue and the environment we're in that we need to have it as a global scope, so everyone can access that want to use it. So in front of this we type export and type interface. Oh, we don't need interface anymore, we just need product. So export type product in like this. And now we need to also do an equal sign here, so the system knows what to specifically do. And so we're exporting it, we're declaring what sort of type, what it is a type, and here the name and then an object here. So now we can now access this outside of the system. This file here. Click save, go to your use products, and at the top here, because this right now is set at the top of this, so we should probably do the similar things when we import it. So just like we did with the products view here, we import stuff and then we declare them what to use them and so on. And we do the same here. So enter and then import. And since we are exporting a type, we need to attach this one too. So usually we won't do this unless we're importing a type. So you have to type type here, curly brackets, from, and then just as before, when we go out // and then interfaces / interfaces. That is the name of the file, that is the name of the folder. In here we will have more than one. I could have just typed products without curly brackets. That means I'll take in everything that's inside of it. But we want to be specific and only get parts of it. So product, like this, and now I can mark this one out. And this will no longer be have squiggly lines. So click save. Go check your browser, see if it refreshes just to make sure it is still here. And now we successfully refactored our code, and I can delete this. So, oops, I forgot that one, I can see. There we go. So now we refactored our code, we extracted our interface, put it in a separate file, so even more separations of concern, so we can reuse this one for later when we need to create, update, delete products, and so on and so on. Great, next video, see you in the next video.